top one, and B is
109.
1, sorry?
09.
109. Okay. Okay. 365 and 109. Okay. Now basically, we know directly if I do A minus B, what I'll get? 365 minus 109. How much is it?
256.
256. Okay. So directly I can write this also in binary. Okay. But what is the question is using ones and twos complement, subtract A minus B and B minus A. Okay. So first thing here it is, what you have to identify here it is. So the method, the steps to do this particular thing is, so first we'll do A minus B. Okay. So now here yeah, when I'm doing A minus B, you have to take, so basically there are two things, okay? You have to see which one is, this is called as, okay? This is called as subtrahend, okay? Subtract. So you're subtracting A minus B, so this is called as subtrahend. Okay, this is called as subtrahend, and A is called as, any idea? Minuend. Okay, so so basically A is nothing but minuend, B is nothing but subtrahend. So you're doing A minus B. See, here we don't have any problem here. Why? Because this A is larger, B is smaller. Okay. Still, I'm going to use ones complement and twos complement. So basically here it is, you going to use first particular one method. So first I'll do using ones complement and then I'll use twos complement. So the first step here it is, okay. The first step here it is, first you have to see what you're doing, whether you're doing from bigger number minus smaller number or smaller minus bigger number. So what happens it is, when you're doing smaller number to bigger number, the digits should have to be the same. So here you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there. Okay. But here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So basically this is 9 bits and this is 7 bits. So when you do complement, ones complement, obviously it won't be the same. Okay. So what you have to do is you need to add zeros to the B. Okay. You need to add zeros to the B to make it equal to the A number, which is nothing but 9 bits. Where do you add zeros for B? On the LSB or the MSB?
MSB.
MSB. You always add the zeros here. Okay. That is when you're doing for this particular thing. Okay. Now first step is you're doing A minus B. Okay. You're doing A minus B. Okay. Now, what is the here it is? We know A value. So how the method is? So in the first step, you do whatever it is. You always apply the whatever complement. For example, I'm going to do the first ones complement operation. Okay. I'm going to do ones complement operation. So what you do is, first step is you apply the complement to the subtrahend. So that is nothing but you apply the complement to the, if it is ones complement, you will apply ones complement to the B value, or if it is twos complement, you're going to apply twos complement to the B value. So first step is in A minus B, you just gonna apply the complement to the subtrahend. So what is it? So 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, right? Okay. Now, this is what? This is nothing but just normal number And when I convert this to ones complement, what it will become? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay? So this is what it is, particular thing. Now, once I change it, okay? Once I finished this is my first step. Okay? My first step is nothing but I am gonna take this subtrahend, change to the complement, whatever it is required to the complement formation. Now, what I do is, then I'm gonna add this to the actual number, which is nothing but I'm gonna add this to the particular minuend. So how do I do that? So now, one second. So what I'm gonna do it is, so I'm just gonna, okay, yeah. So I'm gonna add this to the number. So what is the number? I'll do it here. So I'll just, okay. So the number is 1011 011 01, right? 10110 1101. Okay. And now I'm gonna add this to the, what is this one? 00 100 10. Okay. So this is my particular number. So what do I get? So I'm gonna do binary addition. Okay. So what I get when I do binary addition, what I get? Okay. So I'll just take it this here. Okay. So what will I get here? So 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 1. Again one more 1, 1. Okay. Then finally 1, 0. So this is a number. Okay. So just check if it is in a 9 bits or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the number you get it. Okay. Now, if you actually take it, okay. So how do I see it here? It is. So I got the number. So what I did first step is I did the complement to the particular thing. Okay. I did a complement to the particular subtrahend. Okay. Then, so this I did a complement. Okay. I did one's complement to it. And then I added to the minuend. So I got this number. Okay. So did I get any carry here? No, I didn't get any carry here. So what happens is, now what actually you can do is, when you get this value, okay, when you don't have any particular carry, okay, so what you can do is, you directly again, this answer you're gonna convert again using one's complement. Okay. So that is nothing but you're going to apply to the particular value of this particular one's complement. So for example here, you have, so what is it 365 minus 109? What is the value actually? 365 minus
256.
265,
256.
right? Sorry, 256, right? 256. Okay. So that is nothing but 256. Now, what is the actual number if I take it here? So decimal value 256 if I take, okay, and I convert it to binary. So what is actually the number?
1 crore.
So if I take 256 and convert to binary, what it will come as? Okay, leave that then. Easily you can see it here only. So what I'm telling you here it is, you get this answer here, okay? Convert this again, the answer what you get it, again do the ones complement. Because what you're doing ones complement. If you do just ones complement here, okay? If you do ones complement here, okay? Then what happens? You get this as 0, 1, and again how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now what is this equivalent to? You know this, right? 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. So this is what? 16, right? Then 32. Then 64. How much? 128. Then 256, right? I think 10, I missed it here. So basically, you will get the particular value here. The direct answer you will get it, which is nothing but 256. So what you have to do is, when you add it, you'll get it, and again you gonna change that to the complement form. So that is nothing but you'll get the value. So this is complement subtraction A minus B. So when you're doing directly of it. So basically what it is, so when you do it, so when you directly convert it, you'll get that particular value. You're clear or you want me to explain? Guys?
So you were saying if there is carries and if there is no carries something. Can you
Yeah.
explain that part?
If you have a carry, okay, you'll gonna I'll tell you that next part. You'll get it that. Okay, I'll tell you that. So first thing is, simple thing you have to remember is what it is. So the first step, okay. So first step is you convert the subtrahend, okay. You convert the subtrahend using whatever complement. If it is ones complement or twos complement, whatever it is. Only the subtrahend you will be converting it. Okay. Once you convert it, second step is, okay, you add this, you add the new subtrahend to minuend. Okay. You add the new subtrahend to the minuend. Third one, if you don't have a carry, okay, if you don't have a carry, okay, no carry, okay, no carry, okay, you directly gonna convert the answer again to the same complement, whatever it is you are using, again same complement, okay. We can do one more example, okay, it will avoid the confusion for you. If anything, you can just do the same thing, okay. Same here, you take this only, we'll take this only and we'll reduce it, okay. Simple, okay. Now we'll see. So now what is here? 1 0 1 1 0 1, okay. Then so 1 0 1 1 0 1. So what is the first step here? I'm doing A minus B, okay. So the first step is convert the subtrahend, okay, convert the subtrahend to ones complement. What is ones complement here? 0 0 1 0, okay. So I'll write it here, 0 0 1 0. So okay, 0 0 1 0, okay. Now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna divide that particular add that particular thing. So what I get it here? So 1 plus 0 is 1, okay. Then 1 plus 0 is 1 again, okay. Then again 1 plus 0 is 1. Then again 4 ones. Okay. Then 0. Then again 1. Okay. So this is the value. Right? So this is my value here. Now this is my value. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, again 1, 1, and then 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now what we did, I don't have any carry. Okay. There is no carry at all. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, this answer, I'm going to again convert it to the original thing, which is nothing but using the ones complement here. I'll use again the ones complement. So what I'll get is 0, 1, 4 zeros. Okay. 0, 1, 4 zeros. Now, what is the value of 0, 1, 4 zeros? Zero, 1, 4 zeros?
16.
16, right? Okay. So that is nothing but 16. So if you want to check, you can check also. Okay. So basically what it is, you're going to convert it. Okay. Convert that particular thing and then take that particular value. Now, what is the value of this one? 1, 0, first value, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. What is this value? 8, 4, 2, 1. 45? Is it right? Is it 45? 8, 4, 2, 1. So this is 16. This one. And last one is 32. So 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 4. Yeah, 45. Okay, this is 8, 4, 2, 1. Again 8, 4, 2, 1. I am seeing multiple of 2's. So 8, 12, 13. 13, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Is it right? Correct? Guys? Can you see? 45. Now what is it? 45 minus 13. What is it? 32. Right? Correct? But when you're doing it, what you're getting the value as?
16.
Why? Why you're not getting 32? What is a mistake we have done? Any idea? I told you in the starting, something has to be equal.
Number of bits.
Number of bits. As you can see, what I'm doing it is, I'm doing a minus b here. Okay, directly I'm just writing this off. I didn't added any zeros. So let's see whether we'll get it correct or not. See, for example, here now, what I did here, it is 1101. Okay, so what it is, so 11101. So this is 4 bits. This is how many bits? 10110. This is 6 bits. So what I'll do is I'll add 2 zeros. Okay, I added 2 zeros now. Now what happened here? When I add 2 zeros, okay, add zeros to make equal to the number of bits. So that is the first step now. Okay. Now first, that's why first I have to see whether it is equal or not. Now it is 2 zeros added. Now this I'll convert it as bits, which is ones complement. So what I'll get it as ones complement thing, 1 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, 1 1 0 0. So this is what I have this number here. So basically here to this number here I need to add another 1 1. Okay, that is what when I convert it, see, you can see the difference here. What happens? So now here if I convert it this now, so that means this is added. So now I'll add these two now. Okay, so I'll add these two. Okay, so when I add these two, what happens? What does it change now here? This will be 1 only. This will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1. Last 4 is 1. Then what else? What is this will become? 1 again?
0 1.
1. Okay. Okay. So this will be 1. So basically 1. 1 plus 1. Again, what it will become as? 0.
1 0.
And then 1. Right? Correct? Correct, guys? So basically this will be 1 plus 0 is will be this one 1. So 1 plus 1 again 0 it will be here and then 1. Now what is this 1? This is a carry. Okay. This is a carry. Okay. So what happens now? You have got a carry here. Okay. So this 1 is a carry. Okay. Now we are doing, now what you do with, when you have a carry, what we do is a carry out position is been coming up here. So basically you are doing a ones complement thing, you are doing a carry. Okay. So what is the answer here? It is 1 0 0. So when you get a carry, okay, when you get a carry, you can discard this carry. Okay. So when you get a carry and discard this carry, when you discard this carry, what is the value it will be? When you discard the carry, what it will be? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Correct? So when you discard the carry, you get this value. Now this value you're gonna convert using ones complement same. So that means 1 0 0 0 0 0. So that is nothing but 5 zeros. Now what is this value? 32? Right? So 8421, 8421. Okay, this value is 16. And then again, this value is 32. Okay, so this is how you gonna, so first thing you have to see is, you have to see what happens the difference, you can find the difference now. If I don't add the zeros, empty zeros when I'm doing the subtraction, I won't get the right answer. See, I got it 16 before first. Okay, I didn't get the particular answer. What you have to do is,
add it to the right.
sorry? Come again? So basically you need to add zeros on the MSB. Okay. You can't add zeros on the right hand side on the LSB. Why? Because when you add zeros on the right hand side, the value itself changes. Here if you add 0 for this particular thing, if you add 0, so 1101, if I add 0 on the left, it doesn't really matter. Still the value will be the same. But if I add on the right hand side, if I add 1101 and I add right hand side, then the number will be much bigger. So obviously you will be adding on the left hand side. Okay, that is nothing but the MSB side. Okay, all of you clear? So basically what it is, first you have to make sure you have to have equal number of digits. Okay. Then the minuend, subtrahend, that should be converted to the particular here. That should be converted to ones complement. Okay. Then you add it. Okay. When you add, if you have a carry, you discard that carry. Okay. And then you convert the answer to the ones complement again. You will get that number. Okay. You can see another example. Okay. Another example. Okay, now this example is okay. Now tell me, you guys tell me, what is the first step? What is the first step you have to see? I'm doing A minus B. Okay, so the first step is I'm gonna do the operation on the subtrahend. Okay, so I'm gonna do the ones complement for the subtrahend. Before that, I have only 4 digits. Okay, here how many are there? 4, 8 digits. So I'm gonna add zeros to the B on the MSB side to make equal. Okay, so so I'm gonna do that 1 0 first one. So what? So 1 0 0 1. Okay, so this I'm gonna add 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is nothing but my particular value. Okay, so the value when I add zeros I get this. So when I add 4 zeros I get 4 zeros 1 0 0 1. Okay, next what happens now? I'm gonna convert this now to ones complement because I'm doing ones complement. So I'll get it as 1 1 1 1 0 1 sorry 0 1 4 ones 0 1 1 0. Okay, so this is a value. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, this I'm gonna add to the minuend. So that is nothing but 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, so when I add it, so what I'll get? So yeah, first one is 1, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1. Wait, I'll take it off this. 1 1, then 0, 1 plus 1 is 0. I'll do it like this. Okay, so 1, this is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 0, that is again, I'll go here 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2, 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is 3, 1, 1, then again 1, then again 1 here, again 1 plus 1 is 3, 1, 1, then again 1, again 1 here, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 0, then again 1. Now see, 1 plus 1 is 3, that is 1, 1. Okay, now what is the carry here?
1.
1 is the carry. So what do I do to that carry?
Remove it.
I discard that carry. I discard that carry. And what I'll do to this? I'll again convert to the ones complement. So that is nothing but, okay, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, this is in the case of ones complement. Okay, so you can find out the value. Okay, so what is this value here? 1 0. What is the whole number? Come on, guys. What is the whole number?
76.
Hey, how 76, man? 8, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 8, 4, 2, 1, 16, 32. Yeah, no,
Yes, sir.
it's more.
76.
104101. Are you sure? I think it's coming more now. 8, 4, 2, 1, 16, 32. Then this is 64, 1.
So 189.
189. Yeah, correct. This is 128. Yeah, 189. Okay? 189. So 189 minus, what is this one? 8421. 10, no? Sorry, 9, no?
Yes, sir, 9.
Yeah?
So it's 9.
Right? Now, okay. So what is the answer normally? It has to get 180. Okay? Now, see what is 180 in binary. What is 180 in binary? One, zero.
10
Yeah.
90
1, 0.
11
Double 1.
01
0, 1.
00.
Double 0. Okay. This is nothing but 180. Okay. Now see here. Basically what we did, when we know that this particular one is here, you got this value here. Okay. Now here, this one value, okay, here this one particular value here, what he did is, instead of discarding here, he is gonna add to the LSB. So when you add it, you see what you'll get. 1, if I add it here, 1 plus 1, okay, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1, again 1 plus 1, 0, 1, okay. So this will come as 1, okay. Then what is the numbers left here? 0, okay. Then this one 1, 1, 0, 1, right? So what happened here? 1, 0, double 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the same as this. Now, what is the value? What has happened here? The carry here, he has not discarded and he has added to the number here. Why? What is the reason? Why it has been added instead of discarding? Any idea? See, basically here, what happened is, whenever you have to always see which is the bigger number and which is a smaller number. As you know that here A is the bigger number, okay, B is the smaller number, okay. So when this bigger number and this is smaller number, so when you're adding of two signed binary numbers with negative representation in complement form, okay, you need to increase their signed bits also, okay, those signed bits. So basically what it is, how do you represent a number? So 2, I can write it as 1 0. Okay, 2 I can write it as 1 0. How I'll write it as -2? I can't write as -1 0. Okay, it is not like I can't write as -1 0. It has to, that negative sign should be represented in the binary representation. Okay, so that I'll tell you next class how you'll represent it. Okay, so first thing is you have to understand is how do you do the complement subtraction thing. So same here, B minus A if I take it. Okay, B minus A if I take the particular thing value. So B minus A here if I take it. Okay, so now B is what? 1 0 0 1. Okay, A is what? Is this one. Okay, now what I'm supposed to do? Now B is I'm doing B minus A. So that means for A I will change to 1's complement. Okay, then I'll add this value to the B value. Okay, then I'll add this to the B value. So this is the one. Now I'll change this to 1's complement. So when I change to 1's, see, I don't need to add zeros to here because A is already having the maximum numbers. You don't need to add any zeros. Only B didn't add when I'm doing A minus B. So that is one thing. So this is what it is. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros, 1, 0. Okay, now I'll directly add to this particular value here. So that is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 1 second, 0, 0, 1, 0, then 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, this is what it is, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Did I add extra? 1, 4 zeros. 0, 1, 4 zeros, 1, 0. Yeah. So now what it is? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. This is the value. Now here see, I don't have any carry, anything. So what? So the value of, we know that what is the value of that. So basically when I convert it, so what is the value here? 180. 189, this is A value minus 9 B value. I have to get the value as 180. Now you can see this. What is the, how do you convert it now? When I just normally converted the particular, now this is the value here. I have this value. Okay. So now this, I directly convert it to, I don't need to change anything. I directly convert it to 1's complement. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is nothing but 180. You can check it. So here you can see that what is the thing is happening here. When you're doing from A, B minus A, smaller minus bigger one, you directly get the answer without any carry, and directly you can actually change that into the complement form. You will get the direct result. Whereas when I do A minus B, okay, B is smaller. So what I did it, if B is smaller, then I change that into the I add zeros to it, change it to the complement form, and then I add it to the minuend. If there is a carry, then I take that carry and add it at the end. Okay, then you change that value to again to the 1's complement, then you'll get again the 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, I know it's a little bit confusing. Okay, next class I'll tell you with one more example clearly, both of it, then you'll get it. Okay. So you understood little bit at least? Anyone? Yeah?
Oh, sir, I had a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
When we do b minus a, don't we get a negative sign? Because
Yes.
minus
Now
because-
what we do is, yes, you will get the negative sign. So what you'll do is, when you do b minus a, basically it is a negative sign. Obviously, 9 minus 189 is minus 180. So what you do is, that is why, to avoid that negative sign, we complement this. The answer what you get it here, okay, this answer you get it here, you will just put one minus sign here. That's it. Okay. It is a negative sign. So when you complement change it this, you just add one minus sign to this value. That's it. Okay. So that is how it is a negative sign. Yeah. So to what we do it is to avoid that negative sign here and all, basically it is you do this complement kind of a thing. But at the end when you get the answer, you add a negative sign to the binary value. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is it is. Next class, I'll tell you. Okay. Tomorrow I'll tell you according to the timetable. Okay. Whichever the classes. I'll explain one more example. Don't worry if it is a little bit thing. I have a solved example thing. I can show you. I'll screen that. I didn't get it actually now. So I'll show that thing and we can do other problems as well. Okay. We can do using 9s and 10s complement also. 15s and 16s complement. That will solve the next class. Okay. Okay. Chalo guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. I'll share the timetable. Once the meeting is done in the afternoon, I'll update it. Okay. Bye.